Welcome. Today, we're stepping into a silent but extremely dangerous war, the currency war. Remember our two nations, Gorilla Island, bananas, and the Ape Kingdom, coconuts. Both have their own currency. To buy the gorilla's bananas, the ape must exchange coconut coins for banana coins. That exchange rate is called the foreign exchange rate. Suppose 1 coconut coin equals 2 banana coins. This means the ape uses 1 coconut coin to buy 2 of my bananas. Gorilla Island exports a lot of bananas to the Ape Kingdom. Exports are my main source of income. One day, the gorilla government, led by me, the Prime Minister, realizes, if our banana coin is cheaper, the apes will buy even more bananas. So how do we make the banana coin cheaper? By devaluing the currency. We'll make the banana coin weaker against the coconut coin. After devaluation, now 1 coconut coin equals 3 banana coins. The ape uses 1 coconut coin to buy 3 of my bananas. My bananas are now much cheaper for the Ape Kingdom. They will import even more of my bananas. This is a strategy to boost exports and make Gorilla Island goods more competitive internationally. But this displeases the Ape Kingdom. Their goods, coconuts, now become much more expensive for us. They feel cheated, and the apes decide to retaliate. If the gorilla devalues the banana, the ape will devalue the coconut. And just like that, the currency war officially erupts. It's an arms race of currency devaluation among nations. Who suffers the loss in this war? First, the consumers in the devaluing country itself. For example, when I devalued the banana coin, importing coconuts from the apes became much more expensive. Buying foreign goods costs more. This leads to inflation because imported goods rise in price. Citizens' savings are also affected. The value of their currency drops, and the money they hold loses value. Furthermore, foreign investors will withdraw capital from the nation with the weak currency. This devaluation race creates global economic instability. No one wants their currency to be the weakest. Each nation tries to make its goods cheaper to increase exports, leading to an endless cycle. So why should we avoid currency wars? Because they harm everyone. Consumers lose purchasing power, savers lose asset value, investors lose confidence. It disrupts the stability of the global financial system, causing unpredictable shocks. Instead of healthy competition, it creates a tense environment of tit-for-tat retaliation. The ultimate goal is currency stability and cooperation, not continuous devaluation. International organizations like the IMF, International Monetary Fund, often have to intervene to stop this war. By demanding nations commit to maintaining stable and transparent exchange rates, because a prosperous global economy requires stability and cooperation. To summarize, a currency war is when nations intentionally weaken their currency to gain an export advantage. The consequences: more expensive imports, inflation, devalued savings, and financial instability. Everyone wants to export more, but if everyone devalues, in the end, everyone loses. It's like a tug-of-war competition. Everyone pulls hard, but the rope breaks and both fall flat on their backs. That's why nations need cooperation and coordination in monetary policy. You understand this silent war now, right? Well, I have to go carefully hide my banana coins now. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe so the gorilla can keep making economics videos.